Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, small story of Timmy and the Shy Rainbow. After a rainy afternoon, Timmy and the little elephant ran outside, hoping to see a rainbow. But the sky was thick gray. Where is the rainbow? He wondered. His friend Bella, the bird, chirped. Maybe it's feeling shy. Timmy had an idea. He filled a bucket with water and sprayed it into the air with his trunk. Suddenly, a small rainbow appeared in the mist. Timmy cheered. Sometimes you just have to help bring out the magic. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.